So this is WhatsApp CRM. When you open this, it will ask you to add an account. First, we need to add at least one account to start using it. So click here. I'm just giving some name, and a window will prompt and ask you to scan the WhatsApp. Once you scan, your account will be loaded inside the software. Yeah, so once your account opened inside the software, you get an option in the right side of the panel. So there are different options. We will see one by one. First one is chat filter. So you can easily filter the chats with just one click. For example, if you want to see all the chats, you can select all. If you want to select unread, you just click this and all the unread messages will be shown. Then if you want to see only groups, you can click this and only the groups will be filtered and will be shown. If you want to see the chats, similarly, you can see this. If you want to see only the business accounts, okay, business WhatsApp, who are the people who are using business WhatsApp, those contacts will be shown. So this official, there is no official chats, official API chats, there is no such chats available, so it's not showing anything. If you click awaiting reply, so we sent some message and there is no response after that. Okay, so this will be useful for the follow-ups. Okay, you send some messages to the customers and you are waiting for that, right? So to whomever you sent message as last message and you are waiting for that message, you can filter those people. Needs reply means people has sent message to us and we have not replied to them yet. You can filter those things, those chats. These are the chat filters. Next one is broadcast. Broadcast is you can send message to the people. Okay, the target audience can be your contacts, your label contacts, your group members, or particular group. If I select contacts, it will show all of my contacts. Okay, I can select particular contact or I can select all. Okay, so it's up to us. Then we can type some message. You can bold it, you can make it as an italic. You can do those things. You can also attach file along with the message. Any file if you have, you can attach it. This button feature right now it is working, but WhatsApp frequently blocking those things for the softwares. Okay, buttons are only allowed for the official API users. Okay, if you are using official API, the buttons are allowed by the WhatsApp. Any third party apps, any third party tool, if they are trying to use it, sometimes it's allowing, sometimes WhatsApp is blocking the button feature. Okay, so right now it is working, but we are not sure whether it will work throughout going forward. Okay, if it starts working, we will add it in the software. If it's not working, we will remove it. Simple. So you can just click the send button and you can start the campaigns. Or if you want to schedule, you can click this option and you can schedule, give any schedule name, and you can select the date and time, and you can schedule this message. Okay, and you can send, likewise you can send to your label contacts. Okay, so these are the, I don't have any labels actually, so it is not showing. If you have any labels, it will show. Groups, if you select groups, it will fetch all of your groups. Okay, so whoever you have access to message to those groups, you can select those groups and you can send message to those groups. Or if you want to send message to the group members, okay, so you can select from which group you want to from which group members you want to send message. If you select any particular group like this, it will show all the contacts inside that group. You can select that or select all, and you can send messages to those group members. Okay, very unique options. You can make use of that. But please don't spam. Okay, don't use this tool for the spam. Just a general caution. You can, if you have any Excel, if you have a list of customers you already have, you can, as usual, upload an Excel. You can upload an Excel, and the numbers will be visible here, and you can send message just like that. So this is all about broadcast. Then auto reply bot, you can add rules. Okay, so when user sends, for example, if user sends hi, what is the exact match? Or if user sent hi, how are you, hey, it should be exact match or contains or start from, ends from. This is the rules. You can set anything. If people send hi, what is the reply you want to send? Okay, that you can add it here. Yes, please. If user send hi, you can, your auto reply will be yes please. You can also attach any attachments like images, videos or something, and you can save it, and this rule will be saved, and if somebody messages you, the auto reply bot will reply automatically as per the conversation you have assigned. Okay, this is all about auto reply bot. Next one is group card. See, if you are an admin of a particular group and there are people who spams in the groups, so you can prevent that. So just select which group you want to protect. Okay, for example, I selected one group, so I am not an admin of that group. So you have to be an admin of that particular group. So for this particular group, I am the admin, so I can add root. Okay, if user sends any link, or if user, for example, if some user is typing spam in the group, so what I have to reply? Okay, I can set that rule. So the machine will be automatically replied to those people. So I can say, don't use these words in the group. Something like that, I can set it up. Or you can, if particular user is keep on repeating the same things, so you can set up the warning. If that particular user keep on messaging the same thing for 5 times, after 5 warnings, after 5 replies, he or she will be removed from the group automatically. Okay, this is the group card. And you can schedule any messages. So you can select the target groups, you can add a message, attachments, buttons, and you can schedule. Reminder, you can add a new reminder. Okay, so it will be reminded to you. So for example, if you have a follow-up for particular people, you can add title and what is the reminder is for, so that you can get reminder inside the software, so that you can act accordingly. You can add quick replies, just like we have in the business WhatsApp. You can add quick replies. So title, message, and message type. Okay, image plus video, image plus audio, image plus document, message plus document. So you can add those things. So data extractor. So you can extract all types of data from the WhatsApp. Means not regular. For example, there are 4 categories. From chat list, you can export all the chats. Okay, or you can export saved contacts, or you can export only unsaved numbers. from group. So you can export particular numbers from a particular group or all the numbers from all the group. Okay, so all groups saved numbers, whatever the number you saved, those numbers will be extracted from the groups you are in. So all saved numbers from a specific group, all unsaved numbers from a specific group. For example, if I select this, these are the groups. There are people which I haven't saved. Okay, so those contacts will be exported. You can export labels. Okay, so I don't have any labels, so it is not showing. You can export contacts. You can export complete contact list in one click. So all the numbers, data can be exported with one click very easily. Then number filter. So for example, if you have some 1,000-2,000 numbers of people for marketing, so you don't know whether they are in WhatsApp or not. So you can just upload it as an Excel and you can click the start button. It will find out which are all the numbers which you have in the Excel is available in WhatsApp and which are all the numbers not available in WhatsApp, so that you can use that for your marketing accordingly. Then group utilities. So you can use group joiner, group destroyer. So group joiner means if you want certain people, set of people to join particular group, you can automate that. And group destroyer, you can destroy particular group. If you don't want anymore, you can destroy. You can manage groups. So it show you last message. When you have messaged last, admin only, with all the group which is admin only. Who are all the groups? You are the admin, whether you are member or not, spam percentage. So these things will be shown in the group management. Then finally we have tools. In tools we have blur settings. Okay, so you can blur messages. If I am recording, okay, obviously I am going to blur everything, the numbers, logo, I am going to blur. So I can do this. If I enable this, by default the messages will be blurred. If I click this, profile name will be blurred, display photo, conversation, everything will be blurred. So this is one very useful option. If you are recording or showing demo, you can use this. So then WhatsApp link generator. If you want to send link to the people to contact you directly in WhatsApp, you can do that. Just provide your mobile number. Type message, click create link, it will create it. Okay, also you will get QR code so that they can directly scan it in their phone and reach it in your WhatsApp with the specified text you given. Okay, you can copy and share it with anyone. So this is the complete all-in-one WhatsApp solution for businesses. If you are a business owner, this will be a great tool for you to manage everything, promotion, marketing, managing people. So you can do that everything in just WhatsApp.